Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmos. If this is your first time of joining my YouTube channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, which I expect to be very short, we are just going to set up a Maven project. That's all. And in the next video, we'll add the dependencies, and in the video after that, we'll probably write our first Selenium test. So let's get through it. So we need to open our IntelliJ. Yeah, the last project I converted to what's it called, to a Maven project. Still the same way. Do not forget the steps. You just add the framework support. As you can see that there has been a bit of change in the IntelliJ structure. The framework support I added in the previous video was below here, was around here, but in this particular one, the framework support is here. The reason is because I uninstalled that IntelliJ I was using the latest IntelliJ as at then, but now I'm using the 2021 version. I'm quite I'm used to the 2021 version, so that was I downloaded an older version. So if you're not used to, if you cannot follow this, I will suggest that you follow the video, the steps using an older version. So in order to get to the older version, you just when you get to, let's start again. When you just do IntelliJ download, right? And you click on download. Here you see other versions, then you click on it, then you scroll down to a later version that you prefer, and you pick the community edition version of it. That's simple. Then you download and you follow the instructions to set it up. So in this video, we want to create a new Maven project. So we click on projects, and we click on Maven. All right, we already have our JDK selected, so we click on next. So on next, we give it give the project a name. Let's say first Maven. All right, and let's see here. You can leave this one this way, or you can try to change this. But everything needs a group ID and an artifact ID. You see that by default, the name of the project is the name of the artifact ID. You can choose to name them separately, but I usually leave it that way because it doesn't change anything. So I click on finish, and there you go. It will resolve the dependencies and you have your POM file. So in the next video, we'll talk about using this POM file, because this POM file helps us to create our dependencies, and these dependencies are needed in our project. In the past, if you are not using the Maven approach to load your project, you will need to download the Selenium jar files, the Selenium server jar files, and every other files that you need to run your Selenium code. But now everything can be run through the dependencies, and dependencies are fetched from the Maven project. So you have a single source folder that has a main and has a test. It is in the test that you write your actual test, while it is in the main folder that you write your page object files, your packages, and your page object files, your page when it comes to page object files, you have your classes, you have probably an interface file, or whatever you need, you can put it there. So do not forget that that is how it's the structure is. You have two subdirectories in the source root, and that will be the main and the test. And in the test, that's where you write your actual tests. Do not forget the structure. We've discussed the structure of writing Java code before, that you have to first create a package, then you now create the class, or you create the package, then or after creating the package, you probably create your interface file or your enum file or your annotation file, whichever one you want. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Once again, in the next video, we will import dependencies. Bye bye.